What's up, guys, and welcome back to another vlog where today we're finally gonna get the truck street legal.
Yeah, it's that Zach Super no Shima flow. Yeah.
Alright, so during the week I did go to the DMV and I did pay for registration and everything. That was $965, but they did require a few things. Number one, I need to take it to a station where they check the brakes and the lighting. So first thing on our list is to get the lights street legal. I did read the requirements that we cannot have HIDs. I need to put the original bulbs back in here, so I need to get that done. And then I'm gonna leave the HIDs here. I'm not sure if they're gonna say anything about these, but I'm gonna leave this here. They have to be DOT approved, which I'm pretty sure that's what it says right here. DOT approved. I'm pretty sure that's what that means. So we're gonna put some bulbs in. I did get the hood all aligned. We're all set now. The lines are completely straight here and there. Then we need to change our tires. These are the ones that came with the truck. I have some other ones with the same rims, but they actually have the sensors inside. That way we can eliminate our sensor light inside for the tire pressure monitors. We also need to take it to a weigh station. They need to weigh the truck, and then they also have to check the VIN number, and there's a little few things that they need to check. So I'm gonna start by changing all 4 tires, then moving on to the lights. I'll jack it up from the middle to see if I can take both of these out at the same time. Should be able to. The truck's really low. By the way, guys, I found out I did take measurements and compared it to this one. It has a 5.7 drop. I think I was wrong. I think I said a 2.5 drop or a 3.5 drop in the first video. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to fit 26s in this. For those of you guys that have drop trucks, let me know what are the biggest rims I can fit on this without, you know, cutting it up or anything, without sacrificing ride quality. I might go with 24s. Alright guys, so these are our 4 stocks from the blue truck. They're brand new tires. So I'm going to go ahead, and these all have the sensors inside, so I'm going to go ahead and install it. I'm the Hulk.
You should just like not add music to this part.
Huh? What?
Don't add music to this part.
It's gonna be a little bit taller. Hopefully our front doesn't scrape anywhere. Alright, so we definitely got some rubbing in here in this part of the fender liner. It's not too much, but I can't even put my finger here. I measured these. I think these are like 31-inch tires. So we have like barely an inch of clearance up here. So I think I might only be able to fit 24s in here. I will not be able to put my 26s. No way in hell would they fit in here. Unless I do some serious trimming over here. Maybe some tubs or something, but gonna have to go with 24s in this area. Even if I hit a bump right now, it's definitely gonna be hitting this plastic already. So whatever, we'll run these for now, see how the drive is. So let me go ahead and put the other side and we'll be set for a drive. All right guys, I got all 4 tires mounted. Now I'm gonna be programming the sensors. Hopefully it's as easy as it was in my truck. I don't know if on this one it would be easy, but I'll walk you through the steps of how to program your sensors to your truck without taking them to the dealer. So let's get started. All right guys, we're gonna start inside the truck. I'm gonna put the key in, put it to the run position, and then I'm gonna hold both the lock and unlock button until we hear 2 beeps or 2 honks from the truck. So see if I can do it with one hand. Okay, then we get a message that says, you can see that, tire learning active. We're gonna start with the front left tire and just deflate it so you hear a beep or honk. There, I registered that one. We're gonna move on to the front right, do the same thing. Remember, it has to be in this exact order. Okay, back ones now. Okay, last one. This side. Okay, we got 2 honks, meaning we're completely done. The relearn process is finished. Alright guys, I went ahead and torqued down every one of the wheels and added air. I think I went to 38 psi on each one, so let's go ahead and find out if our light went out. No more lights. The only one we have is a seatbelt, but because we don't have our seatbelt on. Now we got the tire situation done. Next thing on our list is I'm gonna go ahead and change this and put the stock one here. Luckily I still have the stock one from my truck, so it should be easy exchange. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this one. Let's get started, and then that'll give us access to our bulbs right here to change the bulb. Alright guys, I removed everything from here. Very easy. I didn't film it because it's just clamps here, and there's 3 bolts on this shield here. Look how dirty this air filter was. I don't think they ever cleaned it. So I'm gonna do the smog check and everything, and then we'll probably reinstall this afterwards. But we're gonna clean this real good, and if we can't get it nice and clean, we'll just buy another one, a nice new one. But I'm pretty sure that can be cleaned. So now that we have space here, I'm gonna see if I can reach back and grab this bulb here, remove it and install the new one. And then they did install a throttle body spacer. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a throttle body spacer there. We do have to remove that throttle body spacer in order to install the stock one, the stock airbox. And noticing this too, actually it's not that bad. You guys can see that. Usually these are really like gunky and full of dirt, but this one's not that bad. They probably did perform some type of throttle body service on this. So I'm gonna start by removing this now, and then move on to the bulbs. This is a new bulb. It's literally just plug and play. Just plug this part in here. Alright guys, went ahead and installed this. I still had luckily my bolts from my other truck, and I did end up taking it off to get it cleaned. It looked cleaned, but once I took it out, look at this. You guys can see that it's all gunk from the throttle body there. So went ahead and cleaned it up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and install the stock. I need this. Go ahead and install the stock box in here. Alright guys, it's all installed, but we ran into a little bit of problem. We don't have our mass airflow sensor. What I can do is probably take the one on my truck out and put it in here just temporarily until I get the smog, but I think they're only like $20–30, so I might just order it just to have another one here. And then this evap hose here, for some reason this part here is, I don't know if you guys can see that, there it is, it's flared. So that's why the regular evap hose I had for my other truck doesn't work here. So I'm not sure if they changed. This is a 2008, so I'm not sure in 1 year if it changed or if this is a different part, you know? Probably just order another one of these for this year truck, or makeshift this one and just cut it and put a hose from this area here to there. So that's all we can do today. So we got the headlights done, we got the tires done, and again, we can't do anything here. We got this already secured, so I'm just going to be waiting on this part here and that there. Hopefully we can get those in as soon as possible so we can get this smog check and get it street legal. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today. I got a lot accomplished, so we just need a few little things in order for us to get this street legal. So once we get this street legal, I'm going to take it to get smog checked. I need to get it checked to the brake place and the light place and the weigh station. So once we get all that done, we're going to be able to drive it out, and it's going to have its own plates already and everything. So after that, we go back to body work. I took a little break from body work because it's exhausting doing so much body work, but once we finish the body work, I'm going to be able to start the wrap. I'm excited for that. Not sure what color we're going with yet, but stay tuned and we'll see. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting the last video. I think I have like 15,000 views already, like in the first week. So that one kind of blew up a little bit. So comment down below what kind of videos you guys want to watch. I know you guys suggested that video, and maybe that's why it got so many views. But other than that, I think that's it. So tune in until next time.